Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a no contact reading for all the Virgo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 11th of May. Roles can be reversed also and action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box, you'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and self-love course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Virgo, the person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you. We have the Four of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Moon card. Confusion, anxiety, illusions, delusions, disappointments, and a sense of I need to heal. So this is somebody who is feeling very much confused, very much anxious, very much disappointed. They're not able to find anybody like you the way they were connected to you. They're not able to feel that kind of connection with anybody. They are feeling like they should just remain detached from the idea of connecting or reconnecting with you, at least for the time being, because there are lots of secrets, there are lots of anxious energies, there are lots of unknown fears, confusions in the situation. This is what this person is going through right now: mixed feelings, confusions, anxieties, and the anxious state of mind, and feeling a sense of okay, let me detach, let me heal, let me just sort it out within myself, like what I really feel, what I really want. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Page of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Eight of Swords. This person wants to come towards you, but then they don't. They want to get out of their head and do something about it, but then they don't. Okay, this is a classic card of I want to start a brand new chapter. Maybe I want to be friends with Virgo forever for the rest of my life, but I don't want to do it from my side. If they are going to do it, maybe I'm going to respond, or maybe I'm not. I don't know. This is the kind of intention that they have. They don't know what they really want. They truly and honestly want from this situation. One day they're like, I want to be with Virgo, maybe just as a friend. I don't want to be in a relationship or something. And then next day they're like, I don't care. I don't want to like see Virgo's face ever in this lifetime because all they give me is stress. So I should be courageous enough to not to connect with them. If they are going to connect, then I will see what I can do about it. But maybe I'm not going to respond, but maybe I will. Their intentions are not at all clear. Their feelings are not at all clear. They are right now a ball of mess and trying to figure out what they really want and what they really feel for the situation. But they're definitely disappointed because they're not able to find a connection like you, even if they have other options. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have 11th of May. Lot of cards. So reshuffle. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Tower. Okay, they are going to realize that they still have a lot of deep rooted emotions for you, but I don't see them acting upon this and acting upon this realization. They are going to feel left out in the cold. They are going to be in the self victimization mode and victimization energy, self pity energy. But and they are going to realize big time that they still have lot of emotions for you. You still mean a lot to them. I don't know what happened here, but this person is going to realize they have deep rooted feelings for you, and I don't see them acting upon this realization. They are going to be sulking in the corner, crying in the corner, but refusing to do anything about it. They're like, okay, I still have emotions for Virgo, but I refuse to do anything about it. Maybe never. Okay, for you the guidance is Three of Pentacles. Okay, you just put in the effort and energy from your side in those people, those situations, those things that are willing to put in the effort and energy equally from their side. There should be an equal give and take of energy in a partnership. Then only a partnership is a partnership. Otherwise it's a one way street and it's not going to lead to anything. First thing. Second thing, if you think taking help from somebody can like resolve the issues between you and this particular person, please take help. If you really, really love this person and wants to be with this person, and you think taking help from somebody who is wise enough and good enough to make you guys understand and make you guys resolve your issues, take the help of that person in the situation. Like, if you are in love with somebody, ego should not be there. You should just think about that love, that person, not the ego, not the games, right? These are the two advices that I'm getting for you guys, Virgo. Take whichever is applicable for you guys. Okay, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, honey.